There are two struts, indicated by the red arrows, that hold up the hood of the Macan. The hood will not stay up with only one strut attached, so either brace the hood up or get a friend to help when replacing the struts. The struts are held in place by two ball cup fittings on each strut, red arrows. We are demonstrating on the left side strut, but the right side is the same. The lower ball cup is a tight fit to the weather stripping, but can be removed without removing the weather stripping itself. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pick and gently pry the release clip away from the strut, red arrow. Pry the upper clip out as well, red arrow. You may need to slightly lift the hood to release the weight from the strut and then remove it. Remember, be sure to have braced the hood or have a friend helping before you remove the strut. Before installing the new strut, I like to put a small amount of white lithium grease on the ball cup. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.